Hey, Crispy Brown here, coming to you live from Missouri. I think people still say that, right? Maybe country folk? I don't know. I think my grandma used to say it. Anyway, back in Missouri, got these curtains behind me again. I know you love them. You can't get enough of them. So we're going to get into this. I thought tonight I would talk a little bit about what I do, and I get that question a lot. Sometimes it's hard for me to answer, so I kind of wanted to go into it a little in depth here. And basically, what I do is clinical informatics, or it's also called healthcare IT. And this is basically information technology applied to healthcare, or making your healthcare records electronic. Basically, long story short, pretty hot field right now with the advancement of computers and computer programming, and also things like smart pumps. Or really just any kind of other electric monitor that you might find in a hospital. So lots of integration going on right now. So it's definitely a hot field. This field covers lots of clinical jobs like pharmacy, nursing, radiology jobs, laboratory jobs, dietitians, doctors. So it really kind of runs the clinical gamut inside the hospital as we push forward to make these healthcare records electronic. I basically stumbled into it, had a hospital job, and the setup for the electronic health records didn't go very well. I got involved, got some super user codes, was working overnight, and realized I loved it. So, what is it exactly that I do as a pharmacist? Lots of things I do in the hospital and for the clinics. One of the main things I do is load the drug information into the EHR. And this includes stuff for interactions or maybe drug pricing and also, dosages. And so that's a big part of what I do and setting up those medication orders so that a provider can order it while you're in the hospital, send it down to the pharmacy checks it. Then it goes up to the nurses on the EMR, the electronic medication administration record, and the nurse administers it and documents against that. And so I set all that kind of stuff up, troubleshoot it, any kind of problems we may be having, and so hopefully it kind of comes out smooth. And I really enjoy the troubleshooting part. Don't really like it when it happens, but do like to get to the bottom of it. So big part of what I do. Um, Another part of what I do is electronic prescriptions. So I set it up so your doctor, if you're getting discharged from the hospital or you're being seen at the clinic and you need some prescriptions sent to your pharmacy, I will set that up so the doctor can order it and then send it electronically to your pharmacy of choice, which has really come on strong here in the last 5 or 6 years. And it's hard to find a doctor anymore that doesn't submit electronic prescriptions. And I know it's much easier on the retail pharmacies as well when they receive them. And then, so recently there's been a big push to get doctors' offices electronic. And so a big part of what I do there is set up office injections. So come in, you're sick, you need a couple shots in your rear. Yep, that's me. I set that up for you. Luckily, I don't give it, but I will definitely set it up, and it's up to somebody else to give it for you and to, make sure that dose is set up right, and then to document that administration appropriately, and that's what I do. Uh, and then immunizations. There's also been a big push lately with all of the, I don't want to call it fear, but stigma, whatever it is around immunizations. And so there's been a big push to make that electronic and also to trade that information back and forth between healthcare facilities. So lately I've been doing a lot of that setup, and that covers both the hospital and the clinics. And boy, I don't know if you mess with immunizations much, but they can be very confusing. Lots of different components there, and lots of vaccines that carry or have the same ingredients in them. So, got to be real careful how you set those up and also set it up correctly so that data can be transmitted back and forth appropriately. And now, pretty much every state has a state registry where they collect that data and are able to trade it back and forth between other healthcare facilities, or at least that will be the near future, and that's a big part of what we're working on now. So there's lots of other things I do in the hospital as well, but I would say that is a majority of it. So I will go in and set all this stuff up brand new, or maybe go into a hospital that needs a little cleanup done or needs their system kind of worked on so it'll run a little bit smoother. And yeah, so that's what I do in a nutshell. Gonna sign off now, so I just want to remind you to be kind, be careful, and always choose joy. See ya.